Hi guys, welcome to my channel and it's so good to have you here. Today I want to talk about a current listing and a job that is currently on and open, and that's with Amazon. So Amazon is currently offering teams that are more flexible, and this is a remote job but it's presently in the US, but you can work from anywhere. Alright, so this is the link amazon.jobs. I'll drop this link in the description of this video. Please remember to click on it when you are ready to apply, but apply as soon as possible before this job gets filled. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, and also remember to like and share my videos and turn on the notification button for you to have updates whenever I release new videos. Please tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, and please be on the lookout for my next videos. So let's start. This particular role is the executive assistant, and more like a virtual assistant, but you'll be working with Amazon.com services. All right, and this is a job summary. This, we all know Amazon is the largest e-commerce store, and it's a very beautiful one, a fast-paced growing organization. So this worldwide consumer organization is looking for an executive assistant who wants to work in a fast-paced, exciting and growing organization. We are looking for someone to support two directors on our robotics team in Seattle, Washington. So this role, the person employed will be responsible for handling confidential information and maintaining professionalism in dealing with senior executives. Role responsibilities include managing multiple complex calendars, planning and organizing events of all sizes, and coordinating domestic and international travel. These candidates will also help to build a positive team environment and establish working relationships inside and outside of the group. Okay, so with the basic qualifications: high school or equivalent diploma, 2 years plus experience in providing support to senior leadership for, or 1 year's Amazon experience with Microsoft Outlook, Excel, and Word. Also, we also look at preferred qualifications, bachelor's degree. So if you have high school or equivalent diploma, you can apply to this role. Okay, so you should have a very good attention to detail and have the ability to meet tight deadlines. Should be able to complete complex tasks quickly with little or no guidance, and you should react with appropriate urgency to situations that require a quick turnaround. You must have strong analytical skills, strong organizational communication and interpersonal skills, high level of integrity and discretion, and ability to work effectively with minimal supervision. The pay range is 55,600 to 97,400 per year US dollars. However, the base pay offered may vary depending on job-related knowledge, skills, and experience, and a sign-on bonus, restricted stock units may be provided as part of compensation package, and in addition to a full range of medical, financial, and/or other benefits, depending on position offered. So this employer is an equal rights employer, equal opportunity employer, and does not discriminate in terms of race, gender, sexual orientation, uh, disability, age, and others. So Amazon is a committed workplace, and it the Amazon is a very beautiful work. So I think you should also work with them because they have a great work culture. Okay, so for us to apply, or for you to apply rather, let me click on this. So click on the apply now button, and once you get to the apply dashboard, you either log in with your Amazon account or you put in your email address to continue. So let me use which Amazon account should I use? Which email account? Is this correct? The wrong email. Okay, it's correct. Okay, so you have to create Amazon account and create password. Let me. Oh, okay. What should I do? Hope it's correct. Oh, okay. I don't know. Anyways, just from create a new password and then you log in. Your password must I guess I'm having issues. You must have one uppercase letter, one in lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one um special character, at least 8 characters. So when you're done, as soon as you get to the dashboard, remember to um, upload your details such as your email address, your LinkedIn, as well as your personal details, your current job or your job history. Then remember to also put in any necessary information required of you, and remember to submit your application on time. Okay, so most jobs are always first come first serve basis, so it's better to apply before the vacancy gets filled up. It's okay. So thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and remember to turn on notification by clicking on the bell below, and also remember to tell your friends to subscribe to my channels. Please like and share these videos. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Have a beautiful day ahead. Stay blessed. Bye bye.